Hey race, how you can make kebab. First, I will show you all the ingredients. Boneless beef 1 kilogram, bun chilies 15 to 20. 1 tablespoons cumin. 1 tablespoon coriander. 4 pieces black cardamon. 1 tablespoons cinnamon stick. 4 to 5 pieces of clove. 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt. You can add salt according to your spice. 1 tablespoon ginger. 10 to 12 pieces of garlic cloves. Lentils 250 grams, and soak the lentils in the water. 1 egg. Coriander half cup. Mint leaves half cup. Green chili 10 to 12 pieces. 2 medium-size onions. Ginger 1 tablespoon. Corn flour 3 tablespoon. Warming spices garam masala 1 tablespoon. First, put all the meat in the cooker and add all the ingredients. Crush black pepper into smaller pieces and mix into it. Add 1 to 1.5 liter water or as required and boil on low flame. Add the soaked lentils to the above meat and cook again with the meat until the lentils get fully tender. Leave it for some time until it gets colder. Put all the mixture in the chopper machine, chop it, and set it aside. Chop all the onions in the machine. Press them with both hands as shown in the video and add it to the beef mixture. Take coriander, mint leaves, green chilies, and ginger pieces and chop them also. Add it to the beef mixture. Add corn flour, warming spices, and egg to the beef mixture and mix it tenderly. In the end, make a small-sized patty as shown in the video. Finally, put it in the cooking pan, add some oil, and fry. Your kebabs are ready. Enjoy!